Hi guys. Today we will explain about how to install DeepSeek on Windows. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open the browser in your computer, and once you will open it in the Google search bar, you have to search for DeepSeek. On the top, you will see the main website of DeepSeek, so click on it. Now here you can see this one is the DeepSeek. Now, in order to install this application on your computer, make sure you are using our Google Chrome, because in Google Chrome it will be more easy to install. So from here, what you have to do, take a look on the right top, you will see three dots. Click on these dots. And now here, you have to find the option cast saving and sharing. And here's the desired. Now once you will take your mouse cursor on it, here you can see the option of install page as app. So in order to install DeepSeek on your computer, you have to click on this option install pages. Now here you can see it's asking for installation. So click on the option install. Now you can see the DeepSeek has been added to my computer as an application. I can get it without using my Google. Now here you can see this one is the DeepSeek. Sign in your account in DeepSeek, but for the first time, you have to log in your account in Google Chrome. Then you can use it. Just for showing you, I'll click on the option Start Now. Here, the first thing it will ask for, log in your account, and once I will log in, I can use DeepSeek easily.